Okay, we're going to do some psoas work. So pulling the roller underneath my sacrum, not under my butt, where when I get my legs up, it might shoot out that way, not under my low back, where my butt is sort of hanging that way, but right on the sacrum, the bone between your tail and your lumbar spine. And then bring the ribs down, and then bring one knee towards your chest, hug it towards your chest, and then take the other leg up in the air. Okay. And then you want to rotate the leg in the air outwards, um, as if your knee is, having an argument with your other leg and it's looking away. And we're going to lift and lower. You're only going to move your leg as big as you can without letting your pelvic bones shift, right? So you don't want this to cause your back to arch or this to cause your pelvis to tuck, right? And that way you will isolate your psoas muscle instead of any of the other many muscles that might try to help out instead. Okay. How many to do is totally individual. You'll find that um, sometimes 4 already gives you a big workout. Sometimes you got to do at least 10. Everyone is different. Once you've done your number of lifts, we do circles. Circles are harder. Make sure you're really hanging on to that other knee. It helps you keep your pelvis in a good position. So the circles you want to make as big as you can without shifting your pelvis. And of course, there'll be some incidental movement, but you really want it to be all about moving the thigh bone within the hip joint. A few circles. And then the other way. So, whatever number you are doing, just make sure to do the same number going in both directions. And I'm pulling my abs in and pulling my bottom ribs down to help me stabilize my pelvis and focus on that psoas. When you're done with the one side, hug that knee to your chest and move on to the other side.